What are the different kinds of memory we have in this ATmega microcontroller? If you see the specification, you will find that it has three kinds of memories. The first one is in-system reprogrammable flash memory that can be reprogrammed, and the second type of memory that we have is SRAM, and the last one we have EEPROM. Let's see the flash memory first. So basically it is divided among two sections. One section will contain bootloader, which is called here boot flash section, and the another section we have where we can load our programs, which is called application flash section. We can download our applications to this area, and this family of microcontroller can support either 15, 16 or 17 bits of program counter, which can address correspondingly 32K. 2 to the power 15 is 32K. For 16 bit it can support 64K, and for 17 bits it can address up to 128K memories. So same thing you can see for 15 bit we have total this program flash memory size of 15 bits 7 FFF, and this is of 16 bits 4 Fs, and this is of 17 bits. So based on this program counter it can address up to these many addresses, and the role of this flash memory is to keep bootloader programs and our application programs, and its endurance is greater than 10,000 write or erase cycles. Next, the SRAM memory, which is also known as data memory, is to keep registers and data inside it. So if you see here, the first 32 locations is used to address register files, and the next 64 locations of this SRAM is used to address the standard IO memory, and this is used to make transaction between input-output memory and registers, and the next 416 locations are used for extended IO memories, which is used for peripherals like UART, I2C, SPI. The next set we have for internal SRAM, where our stack or heap memory exists, internal data, and the next section we have external SRAM. So to access this memory, external SRAM, one extra clock is required in compare with this internal SRAM. So here you can see the transaction of this internal SRAM. You have to pass the address of these memories, and if this address is correct, so here you can see if this address is valid, you can perform write or read operations. That's how with these two clocks you can perform write or read operations. But in case of external SRAM, you need one extra clock for that. And lastly we have EEPROM memory, and this family of ATmega microcontroller supports size of 4 KB for this EEPROM, and here you can perform single write or read operations. So single byte you can write as well as you can read a single byte, and its endurance is comparatively very higher than the flash memory. Flash memory endurance is at least 10,000 write or erase cycles, while here you can see it is at least 1 lakh write or erase cycles. So its endurance is almost 10 times higher compared to the flash memory, and here you can perform single byte write or read operations. So this was the quick brief about memory present in this ATmega microcontroller. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's continue and discuss another topic in next session. Stay tuned and keep learning.